Where we at today?
Rosewood, I guess.
We at Rosewood. Today is February 11th. Today I had the opportunity to showcase some of my stuff. JPowerCollection.com. I was able to showcase a candy shop. All the bow ties was edible candy. You can eat that bow tie. So it was a blessing, man. I appreciate it. It was jam-packed out here in Rosewood. We're in New York City. First time for everything, man. And I appreciate it. It's a blessing, man. So I'm here with Coco. People jumping out. I don't know who's who, but it don't make a difference. I'm here. JPowerCollection.com. Listen, man, my name is J Powell.
I'm Coco.
So today we had our fashion show at Rosewood. It was lit, it was on fire. She ran her collection, right? It was exclusive, it was kind of sexy. Everything was in it. It is what it is, man. JPowerCollection.com. I showcased the whole candy collection, so I call it the J Powell Candy Shop. That's what it's going to be called, the J Powell Candy Shop. Not the candy shop 50 Cent talking about, but the candy shop. So you definitely gotta check it out. JPowerCollection.com. Don't forget, website drop it on.
www.vivalacoco.com.
She's a superstar celebrity, so you know the ratings go up now right after this.